Hello everybody, I'm back again. So I wanted to come real quick and share a set of embellishments that I created using one of ShabbyDabbyDoodah's kits. And oh my god, I forgot the name. But okay, I will list it on the bottom because I can't remember. And I'm using my phone, so I can't look in my phone real quick. So I will list it. But she has a shout out going out right now for people to purchase one of her kits and do something crafty with it. And, you know, she was looking for design team members. So I figured I'd have a play at it. And I went and purchased one of her kits. And I got the one with the birds. Like I said, I can't remember the name, but I will list it on the bottom. But this is one of her kits, so I went ahead and did a guest check, and I ended up tearing one of her pieces of ephemera, and then just did a bunch of layering of papers. Whoops. And then some lace fabrics there, and then just some buttons. I have a thing for buttons, guys, and I'm running out of brown. So I need to go shopping for some more. But anyways, I did a ticket. So I'll put that aside right there. And then I did the small little pocket. And I just put one of those little destination stickers from Tim Holtz from the washi tape. Which I don't think I put glue on the bottom. Hopefully it doesn't come off. But I just put a button. And then these are the pieces of ephemera that come with the kit. Very pretty. And then, oops, this backwards. And then this one here. So I added those in there. So this small little pocket. And then the kit comes with 2 envelopes, which are these right here. So I didn't do nothing to them. Oops. I didn't do anything to them because they're cute as it is. I just added a paper clip and added some seam binding on the top just to keep it closed. And what I did on the inside, instead of putting just a piece of ephemera, I went ahead and did a little booklet. This bird did not come from her kit. This one is from Tim Holtz. And I just layered some fabric. A button, of course, like I said. It's a bird and button theme going on here. And then on the inside is just blank, just paper. But I thought I used a piece of ephemera from the old design shop, and I used that as the cover. So that is a little booklet that's tucked in there. And then, oh, by the way, her name is Tina from ShabbyDabbyDoodah. And then this one, I did again another little booklet, and this is one of her tickets that comes with the kits, and it's just blank in the back, and like I said, it's just paper, nothing nothing crazy in there, just blank paper. So that just pops in there. And sorry guys, that I felt something crawling on my legs. And then I grabbed one of these little paper baggy thingies that I got from Tuesday Morning. And again, I went ahead and decorated and added one of those tickets. The kit comes with a lot of tickets, guys. As you can see, I have a lot left over. Different sizes, so I will probably insert these in somewhere in there. But that's this one here, and then on the inside I just added, this is not from the kit, I think this is from the old design shop, but this is from the kit. Cute little postcard. So that just pops in there. And then I did one of these index cards, and that's one of her pieces of the ephemera in there. And I just did a bunch of collaging, and my buttons, of course. And it's just blank in the back. So that one. And then I went ahead and used one of these. I think I did a tutorial on this. I don't know if I did or didn't, but it's just a large tag. Take these off real quick. and I just, you know, did collaging, did a little bit of stamping there, and then on the bottom I just added 2 of her little tickets and just added some lace and then a little flower there. And the ephemera, this one's not from the kit, but it's a large image that I thought went perfectly there. I just don't know from what kit it's from though. Pop that there, and then this comes with the kit. Another beautiful postcard. So that just pops in there, and then this is one of the little tags that come with it. So cute. So that just pops there, and then on the back I just went ahead and did a bunch of collaging. That's another one of her tags, and this is another piece of the kit. And then I went ahead and used a sticker here, and then I just added the word travel on the bottom, which I feel something's missing here, but I don't know what to put. I don't want to put buttons because I already have that bulk here, and I feel actually that's what I wanted to add, but I don't want to make it bulky, so I don't know. I just left it like that, but I don't know. Maybe crazy me will add some buttons later, but I like the way that turned out. Really cute. And then my last piece, the kit comes with this piece here. It's I just folded it in half, but it's like a piece of like a ledger paper, and it has you know, that it's tore up and everything, so I went ahead and cut them around, distressed it a little bit around the edges of the paper, and then just distressed it. I grabbed my scissors and just went around it to distress it more, and then I used my inker, and then just distressed it. This little tabby here comes with the kit as well, and I just put one of these Tim Holtz, what are those called? One of those to hold it. And then I used some fabric to use it as a closure. And it's just a little booklet. As you can see, you got a bunch of this. It's framed, but I thought it looked good with it, so I left it alone. But it has a little bird there. That's the back. And then I again did another little journal that you can journal in there. So I didn't do any stamping or anything, just added some paper. So I thought this came out really cute. And that's it, guys. This is the ephemera collection that I made using ShabbyDabbyDoodah's kit. Like I said, I will put the name of the kit on the bottom as soon as I finish uploading this video, because I'm sorry, I cannot remember. But anyways, yeah, that's what I did today. So thank you so much for stopping by. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are interested in the kit, head over to her channel. She's been putting a lot of her shop, I should say. She's been putting a lot of kits lately, which I just saw another one and I was like, oh, I should have got that one, but oh well, I could always go back. But yeah, check her out. Her name is Tina at ShabbyDabbyDoodah. That's the name of her Etsy, and that's also the name on her YouTube, but I'm sure you guys know her because she's a famous woman. Anyways, you guys take care. God bless, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.